Boys, we're here. Let's try a fry. Let's go fry. Shoestringing. Pretty good. I got the burger. It's mustard, pickled, and grilled onion. Let's try it. Smash burger. That's good. Fries are probably 4 out of 10. The burger's probably 7.5 out of 10. But I'll keep it updated. See y'all boys later. Alright, real quick, boys, I forgot. We have jalapeno fry sauce. Let's try that one. Good little kick there. And this is just regular fry sauce. What's good, everybody? We're back here with another food review channel. Today we're at Freddy's. Highly requested by the boys. So right now I don't have my food yet, but I'm gonna eat my sundae. It's called Dirt and Worm Sundae. Let's try it for y'all boys.
Thank you. Oh, they're cute. You get a worm in there?
That's good. I'll give that an 8 out of 10. But I will review the rest of the food when it gets here, boys. See ya.